Hello, good afternoon. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible? कोई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Yes, okay. Clearly audible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how are you all?
Fine, ma'am. You are?
I am also fine. So, you are worried about when college will start? There are chats. कॉलेज कब से शुरू हो रहा है? एक लड़की मैसेज डाल रही है शायद. कौन है मालूम नहीं. कॉलेज कब से शुरू हो रहा है? किसने डाला था ना FYBA के ग्रुप में? ओके. So should I wait because only 14 students have joined? My number is so less. Okay, till then we revise whatever we have done under background portion. Let others join. Okay, then I will start. We have done up to novel, है ना? We have done novel, short story or story, then plot, then character. Last time we were doing about character, correct? Hello, am I audible? Last time we were doing about character, no? Nobody is speaking anything. So what is novel? A long prose narrative, correct? A long prose narrative is novel. Okay, what is story? Story is a short prose narrative.
Ma'am, we already done this.
I know I am repeating because number of participants is very less. Okay.
Oh, acha.
As a teacher, I need to take care of all these things as well, na?
Oh,
Any
okay, ma'am. No
student need
problem.
not miss things, no? When I teach you something new, correct?
But ma'am, the problem why should we do something for them because they are not joining. So this is not
Huh.
our problem.
Yeah, this is not your problem as classmate, but as a teacher, it's my intention to teach and reach everyone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. No
So
problem.
it's not your problem, but as a teacher, I need to take care that if not many students are there, I can make a revision after 5 minutes, 6 minutes. We can think of starting the new topic. Okay. So a novel is a long prose narrative, while a story is a short prose narrative. The elements of novel and story are same. Elements of novel and story are, what are the various elements? Plot, correct, which is which includes your story aspect. Theme, okay. Number one is plot, plot, story, theme, okay, which you can say central idea or message even. Okay, message. And what is the second element? Characters. Okay. Third is setting. Fourth is what is the fourth one? The fourth one is narrative technique. Okay. And fifth one is language and style. Is it clear? So these are the various elements of the short story or novel. Then comes plot. What is plot? Plot is a sequence of events in a story, novel or drama. Okay, it can be simple or complex. Sometimes there are double plots, subplots in the novel. Okay, the plot can be simple, complex. Okay, then double plots are also there in a novel or story or subplot. Or subplot. Is it clear? Understood? Hello, is it understandable to you?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have made a revision of what I have taught you till now. We have also done character up to some point, correct? I taught you about character last time, no? Character is a participant in a novel or a story. Character is a, okay? So, character can be participant. Then I talked about एंटागोनिस्ट प्रोटेगनिस्ट है ना, बताया था ना ये सब, विलेन हीरो हीरोइन, बताया था या नहीं, भूल गए? Then I also talked about flat and round character. Okay. Then also talked about simple and complex character. Correct. Character can be simple to understand and means personality of character can be simple or complex.
कंटिन्यू करना है
क्या
ये कैरेक्टर का।
मैंने इतना तुम्हें बताया था लास्ट टाइम, मुझे याद है। पार्ट
हाँ,
एंटागोनिस्ट, प्रोटैगनिस्ट, फ्लैट एंड राउंड कैरेक्टर, सिंपल कॉम्प्लेक्स बताया था।
हाँ,
हाँ, अभी लास्ट सेंटेंस जो तुम लिख सकते हो, देयर कैन बी नो प्लॉट, नो प्लॉट, स्टोरी और नॉवल, ये दिस यू कैन कंटिन्यू. ओके, देयर कैन बी नो प्लॉट, सॉरी टी शुड बी कैपिटल, देयर कैन बी नो प्लॉट, स्टोरी, नॉवल, ड्रामा, ओके। इवन फिल्म नैरेटिव सब में जिसमें कैरेक्टर रहता है, देयर कैन बी नो प्लॉट, स्टोरी, नॉवल, ड्रामा, फिल्म विदाउट ए कैरेक्टर। ओके। A character can be a human being, okay, any bird or animal, means creature, okay, thing, even a non-living thing can be a character, okay. Okay. Literary work. Is it clear about character? Hello. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Character can be anything, okay. It can be an animal, it can be, sorry, क्या हुआ? Yes, yes, okay. So it can be an animal, it can be a human being, it can be an object, okay, thing or an object even, okay. Literary work, like a few years back there was a story, telephone, okay. So telephone rings time and again, and telephone is like a character in the story, okay. So is it clear about character? Everybody had noted down this much. Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was regarding character. Now we come to next topic. This is last topic under background which I have to do. After that we will start the story. Okay. I have to teach you 2 stories. So there is setting. Okay. What is this? ये कमलेश राजभर ने क्या टाइप किया है? I didn't get. If anybody is able to understand what Kamlesh Rajbhar has typed, because you students may have different type of language, code language. If anybody can explain, I didn't understand what he has written. Setting. Now what is setting? Setting is location or surrounding. Okay, setting is location or surrounding. In a literary work. Okay, so it can be a village, okay, a city, country, etc., where a story takes place. Where a story takes place. It can be any time of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, night, etc. Okay. It can be any day of the week, okay, Sunday to Saturday, any month of the year, month, any year, okay, any century, etc. Is it clear? Setting is very important. For a literary text. Without setting, there can be no story, novel, drama, or film, etc. Is it clear? So without setting, you can't expect a novel, short story, drama, film. Okay, in film also the setting is there. In novels, short story, drama also the setting is there. Okay, suppose you watch a movie. Which movie? Any movie. In the movie there is a place described. It can be even setting, can be a house, okay, building, room, cabin, where the story takes place. Is it clear? Understood something? So setting can be anything. Is it clear to you, to every one of you? 24 students are there. What is setting? Okay. So this was regarding setting. Now you have watched various films on terrorism and all. You have
कहीं
watched,
बात नहीं है वहाँ पर
so setting can be any place. Okay, it can be any time of the day, it can be any place. Okay, it can be any time, any place, any day, any month, any year, any century. Okay, there can be no story without setting, whether it is a novel, drama, short story, or film and all. Okay, so should I rage this much?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Hmm. So setting not only gives us about idea about the time, okay, place, okay. Sorry, क्या हुआ? Okay, so setting, sorry. Setting gives us hint about the history, okay, geography, socio-economic, political condition, economic conditions of the time, age, okay, time, place, country, etc. Okay, so suppose the writer is talking about the, suppose any story is written in 2020, correct? Suppose I write a story or I write a poem, okay, so it will give you idea. Suppose any story or any drama, any novel or any poem is written about 2020, okay, so 2020 gives you idea period, which century it is talking about. Hello,
2020.
which century? 21st century, correct? Suppose I talk about China, Wuhan, okay, I talk about epidemic, pandemic, okay, COVID-19. Is it clear? So it will give you idea na about what type of, you can refer to newspaper to know about history of COVID-19 pandemic. Suppose 10 years, after 10 years in 2030 student read about this story, novel or drama, so they can refer to it, they can refer to newspaper, they can go to internet websites and find about the history, geography, how from which place to which place COVID-19 pandemic spread, okay, coronavirus infection, socio-economic, political conditions of the time, how it has affected the society, how it has affected the economy of the nations, political conditions of the time, what measures government has taken to spread the infection, to contain coronavirus, etc. Correct? So setting is very important for any story. Without setting, no story is possible. Is it clear to you? Understood? Can I erase it? Hello? Am I
Hi.
audible
Yes,
or
ma'am. Yeah,
can
ma'am.
I erase it? Can I erase it?
Yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now from my side background
बहुत बेकार अरे बाबू नहीं मामूला नहीं है
from my side background topics are over. Okay. Now I have posted notes in Google Classroom. Have you seen it? Any
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have posted notes on background topic in Google Classroom, all topics which I have to do under your first unit. Okay, so I'm just doing a revision sort of thing with you so that you can understand whatever I have posted and those who haven't attended the earlier lecture. These are the notes which I have posted. Unit 1 literary term, correct? Novel is a piece of long narrative in literary prose. Okay, narrative prose is meant to entertain and tell a story. It is a description of chain of events which includes a cast of characters, a setting, and an ending. Most publishers prefer novels that are in the 80,000 to 1,20,000 word range, depending on the literary form. Okay, which type of novel you are writing, whether it is scientific novel, gothic novel, picaresque novel, historical novel, realistic novel and all. Okay. The essential elements of novel include chapters, characters such as protagonist, antagonist, dialogue, point of view, theme, setting and plot. Dialogue is an essential element of fiction and to some degree memoir. Dialogue consists of conversations between two or more people and can be used heavily or sparsely. Novel, an invented prose narrative of considerable length and a certain complexity, deals imaginatively with human experience. So, novel or short story, whatever it is about human experience, human behavior through a connected sequence of events involving a group of persons in a specific setting. Picaresque, epistolary, gothic, romantic, realist, historical are some of the important ones. The term novel is derived from the word novella, which means new. So, stories are like little new things, novelty, freshly minted, divergence twice. They are not reworking of known fables or myths. The novelist such as Tolstoy, Henry James, Virginia Woolf are important novelists to understand. Then a short story is a piece of prose fiction that can be read in one sitting and focuses on a self-contained incident or series of linked incidents. There can be one major incident only in the short story or can be small incidents with the intent of evoking a single effect or mood. The short story is one of the oldest types of literature and has existed in the form of legend, mythic tales, folk tales, fairy tales, fables, and anecdotes in various ancient communities across the world. So, short story or story is a very old form of literature. Is it clear? It developed in various communities across the world. Okay, modern short story developed in early 19th century. Short story make use of plot, characters. It is characters, huh? C is missing, such as protagonist, antagonist, dialogue, point of view, theme, setting, and largely distinct from novel. There is a difference between story and novel. In terms of length, word count is typically from 1000 to 4000 words, or sometimes it may have 15,000 words as well. It depends. Stories of fewer than 1000 words are sometimes referred to as short stories. The famous short story writers are Anton Chekhov, R.K. Narayana, O. Henry, Anita Desai, Jamaica Kincaid. Some famous stories are. I have given you some different writers and stories when I taught you. You can include that as well. Whatever I have taught you and written on whiteboard, typed on whiteboard, that can be also written इन द एग्जाम. देर इज नथिंग लाइक कि अभी मैंने कुछ और दिया है या तभी मैंने कुछ और दिया है. इज इट क्लियर? प्लॉट इज अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स इन अ स्टोरी, नॉवल और ड्रामा. A reader can identify a plot by a change in circumstances. A plot could be divided into three parts: a beginning, a middle, and end. So any story when written has a beginning, middle, and end as well. In summary, a plot is the basic storyline of a text and how it develops, unfolds, and moves in time. Most plots follow a traditional pattern where the climax is the turning point of the text. A good plot generally leads to an interesting literary work. The plot can be simple or complex depending upon the content. A literary work can have a double plot or subplot too. A simple plot is easy to understand, while a complex plot or a work with double plot and subplot is difficult to understand at times. It gives the story character development, suspense, energy, emotional release. It allows an author to develop themes and, most importantly, conflict that make a story emotionally engaging. Through plot, the writer develops all the characters, okay, in the story. Okay, then how the story ends, how the story begins, all depends on plot only. Okay, how the story reaches the climax also depends on plot only. How the writer creates conflict in the life of character also depends on plot. Everybody knows how hard it is to stop watching a movie before the conflict is resolved. Plot is the backbone of almost every creative literary piece and fiction, including play, short story, novel, novella, memoir, films, and other narratives. Many poems and songs have plots, but also many do not. As far as poems and songs are concerned, all poems and songs may not have plot. Okay. Now, characterization or character is one of the important elements of fiction. A character is a participant in the story, novel, or drama, or any literary or artistic work. Some example of characters are hero, heroine, main character, which is known as protagonist, antagonist, villain. The protagonist is the main character of the story, the one the author spends the most time exploring or developing, and the one whose conflict moves the plot along. Okay, so the main character, hero or heroine, is known as protagonist. Okay, on whom the writer spends a lot of time to develop. Okay, sometimes the protagonist can also be the story's first person narrator. Antagonist, villain, is the character who opposes the protagonist or the hero or the heroine and provides the story's conflict. The characters are of two types: flat or static, who remains same throughout, doesn't develop at all. Round or dynamic, who is not static, is dynamic and develops or progress in the course of the story. The character can be also simple or complex personality depending on the role in the text. Generally, a character is a human being, but it can be an animal, non-living being, or thing too. There can be one or more characters in the literary works. There can be no plot without character. There can be primary, major, secondary, minor characters in the literary work. If the characters are lifelike, it makes the story interesting. So character can be any human being, animal, non-living object. Okay, there can be no plot without character. Character can be major character or minor character as well. If you find character convincing, it makes the story, novel, drama interesting. Setting is the time and place of the story. It is a literary element of literature used in novels, short stories, plays, films, and usually introduced during the beginning of the story along with the characters. The setting may also include the environment of the story, which can be made of physical location, climate, weather, social and cultural surroundings. There are various ways that time and place indicate setting. Time can cover many areas such as characters, time of life, the time of day, morning, etc. Okay. Time, month of the year, May 1947, beginning of the 21st century, etc. Time periods such as the past, present, or future. Place also covers a lot of areas such as certain building, room in a building, country, city, beach, in a mode of transport such as bus, car, boat, indoors, outdoor, etc. The setting of story can change throughout the plot. The environment includes geographical locations such as beach or mountains, climate, weather, social and cultural aspects such as school, theatre, meeting club. All good literature uses setting. No story plot can exist without any element of time or place. Without a setting, readers and viewers cannot follow a story plot. Is it clear? So setting is very important in a literary work. Understood? Hello. Have you understood or not?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to do two stories with you. The last leaf and the open window. Okay. So I will be posting, what is the date today? 6. Okay. By the time you have lecture next week, 13th will be holiday because of Diwali. Diwali vacation is starting from 12th. Okay. So from 12th to 18th, the Diwali vacation will be there. Is it clear? I am telling you official notice I have got. So the principal of Degree College had said the college will remain closed for Diwali from Thursday the 12th November 2020 to Wednesday the 18th November 2020. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So next Friday there will be no lecture. So after Diwali vacation, we will start the story proper. But because now time is there, during Diwali vacation, you revise your notes, okay? Because maybe after Diwali vacation, your exams or class tests may be there, okay? Is it clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so if there will be no exam, I may also conduct your class test. Okay, so please do revise and do learn your literary terms, whatever I have taught you. Is it clear? Now there are two stories in the syllabus. One is the open window. Okay, you are able to see the screen.
No, ma'am.
No.
You haven't seen the screen for the notes even, correct? मैंने तुम्हें नोट्स का स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर किया ना?
नहीं.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, तुमने बोला भी नहीं कि मैडम हमको दिख नहीं रहा है. कितने बुद्धू हो तुम लोग.
तो हम लोग को थोड़ी ना मालूम है कि आप दिखा रहे हो.
हाँ, तो तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए ना स्क्रीन पे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है
तो
मैडम.
आप
मैम
मैम
हमें
आप
लगा आप
बोलते ही जा
डिक्टेट
रहे हो.
कर
आप सिर्फ बोल
Yes,
रहे हो.
ma'am. मुझे भी वही लगा कि आप डिक्टेट कर रहे हो.
मैं क्यों
हाँ.
डिक्टेट करूंगी जब मैंने नोट्स क्लासरूम में पोस्ट किया है तो, और मैंने व्हाइट बोर्ड पे सब कुछ लिखा है तो, और मेरी स्पीड से तुम लिख सकते थे जिस स्पीड से मैं बोल रही थी.
Yes.
मैम आप रीड कर रहे थे, हमको ऐसा लगा आप हमको सुना रहे थे.
हाँ,
हाँ.
तो वो डिक्टेट करना और रीड करने में डिफरेंस है या नहीं, पहले ये बताओ.
Ma'am, we have written something.
नहीं, but there is a difference between reading or dictating or
Yes,
not.
ma'am. Obviously, ma'am. Yes.
Then, okay, now so these are the notes which I have posted in your classroom, Google Classroom. Okay,
Okay.
I have explained it to you. I have revised it for you now as well. Okay, so this is you can find in Google Classroom. And still, if you have any problem, you can always approach me. No issues. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I am showing you whatever we have to do under storage. There are two storage in your syllabus. One is the last leaf. Okay. So this is the text of the last leaf which I will be posting in Google Classroom. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, but I haven't posted it in the classroom till now because I was thinking maybe college may start and then I will do face to face teach you stories. But I don't know whether when college will start now.
शायद 18 से मैम बोल तो रहे शायद से.
No,
हाँ,
no, वो फेक न्यूज था मैम.
नहीं बोल तो बहुत कुछ रहे हैं और बहुत टाइम से बोल रहे हैं.
यस मैम, वो 18 वाला भी बहुत सारा सर्कुलेट हुआ, लेकिन उसके बाद भी वो कुछ अलग ही था मैम.
नहीं, you never know
वो
because
बहुत अलग.
if
बहुत
situation
अलग था.
got worse during Diwali, you never know. People are not following rules and regulations still. You can see many people are not using mask at all.
Yes ma'am, now also.
है ना? So you
Yes.
never know. But in case college starts, then I will do face-to-face teaching, no doubt. If college doesn't start, then we will continue with
Virtual.
online and teaching. Yes, correct. So happy
Yes.
Diwali to all of you. And if any other celebration is there, happy festival. If any other festival is there during Diwali, I don't know. So be happy, enjoy your vacations, but do take care of your health as well. Don't move outside of the
Ma'am,
house.
we already enjoying our vacation.
You are still
This
on
is
vacation.
this is
You feel
also one kind of, yeah ma'am.
why? You are learning a lot on online platform. Don't you think like that?
Yes,
No
obviously,
doubt,
but
no doubt we are missing each other physically. I can't see you, you can't see me. है ना?
yes.
But though I can see you if I open my video, you can also see me if you
Yes.
open. But the question is not this. The question is that face-to-face meeting is completely different.
Different. Yeah.
Correct. Yesterday I was teaching to FY BCom students the topics like technology enabled communication under BC. Okay, let us do some chit chat before starting the story proper.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Next time we
Fine.
will do
Huh.
story whenever we will have. So this
Yes,
is one
ma'am.
story, and another story is I am just showing you the another story as well. The open window. I don't use the text from online. I always prefer my books. I am so I am type of bookworm. You can say I always prefer reading from the books. I don't give story from online
Yes,
to
ma'am. It's
students
good.
because I feel there should be some connect. I am a book lover where I read a lot. Okay, I write a lot. So yesterday when I was teaching them blog and all, so it was easy to teach some topics through online platform. Like in classroom, if we don't have internet connectivity facility, even if we have some whiteboard or projector and all, I can't teach topics like email writing, blogging,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
WhatsApp, social media. Correct. If I want to teach them actually how to write an email, how to send how to create an email account. Though last year I tried and I requested some people and I managed to arrange a computer lab, and I taught my FYBA students all these things virtually as well. I mean face to face using internet. But it's really difficult to teach. So I'm so happy when I am able to use my videos, PPTs when I'm teaching online because I've made those things since long, but I was not able to use it because
Now
I
it's
was not.
using, ma'am.
Now I'm
Now it's
using
useful.
all those things which I wanted to do in last 17 years and I couldn't do. Now due to some or
Yeah.
other, I am so happy that I can always teach. Now I'm thinking even if college starts and if I have to engage a extra lecture, I can do it from the home using internet because you also know now how to connect it
Yes, ma'am.
virtually.
Like कभी ना it is like कभी ना कभी आएगा time use होगा, ये tension मत लो.
नहीं नहीं, मैंने टेंशन कभी नहीं लिया बिकॉज मैं हमेशा है ना ये सोचती हूँ व्हाट इज टू बी डन न्यू
Yeah, correct.
in my field as well as a
हेलो
teacher. What I am, hello, yes,
क्या दूर है क्या बे तू थोड़ा सा.
क्या कौन बोल रहा है ये?
I don't know, ma'am.
Chalo, whatever it is, it happens. So I always want to do something new in my field. Okay. As the coordinator of that activity, I have arranged visits to old age, orphanage, extension activity में इतने सारे वो एक्टिविटी 2007-8 से चल रही थी 15-16
Oh, yes.
में when I became coordinator I started new things under that
Ma'am, you are
activity.
also there on that activities.
नहीं मैं नहीं हूँ फिलहाल इस साल
अच्छा, इस साल नहीं हो.
मैं लास्ट
Can you
2018
tell me
19
about something population education club because I have joined there.
हाँ ठीक है ना वो तुम्हें ट्रेनिंग देंगे ना मैडम जब भी
Ma'am, when it will be start?
that I don't know you have to ask her only because she is the in charge now I'm not there in the activity at all.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay.
I don't know. Population Education Club is actually activity in a group where you have to work in a group. So you can go to schools and colleges and conduct competitions and all. See, every teacher in charge does it in her or her own way, his or her own way. So if I say something and she does something different, then you will be in a confusion. So better
Yeah,
ask.
ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
I started taking initiative, intra-college competition, intercollegiate competition as well. I arranged, and then I arranged visits to orphanage, old age home under that activity because it was
Oh,
an activity related to society.
yes.
So I participated with students in walkathon, marathon, run. Okay.
Acha.
So I mean, I always want to do something new. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
in my nature. I
Something
don't,
innovative.
I want to do something different, so I do. So I have written blogs as well. Okay, so I want to share with you because there is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
much
Can you please share that link?
blog.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
want to read.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. Okay, now,
Ma'am, you are writing about what topic?
that is what I will tell you. See now,
Okay, okay.
because if you can see my blog, let me see. I will share the address, blog ID address as well with you. Okay. Now this is see suddenly yesterday because I opened it, shown it to students. I am able to open it today easily, very easily. So this is my blog. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have given it name creativity with students. Okay. So all my things I see, I whatever I do as a teacher that is always for students. I don't do it for myself. Okay. So title of my blog is creativity with students which I made in 2008. Okay. Just imagine.
Yes. Before
Now,
12 year, I think something.
yeah, so I did so many things earlier only, but people, I mean, neither students take interest nor anybody else take interest, then it becomes difficult, na, whatever you want to do those things.
Yes.
Because no single student is interested in knowing कि मैडम ने क्या blog में लिखा है.
Ma'am, but I am interested. I am
That's
curious
why.
to
That's
know.
why. This is my blog address. You can see Sharmila Jajodia 23
Yes, yes.
dot blogspot.com. Okay. So what type of post I have made? See, I have total made 22 posts. So I have put my videos here. I have written. See, you can see August 1 2012 का ये है post.
First blog.
फर्स्ट है या कौन सा है वो मुझे नहीं मालूम मे बी देर मे बी समथिंग अर्लियर ऑल्सो आई मीन आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू आइडिया सी
Yes, ma'am.
ओके सो दीज आर 22 पब्लिश्ड सो August 1 2012 का है ये ब्लॉग एंड देन यू कैन सी I have written 2 articles here. Connectivity between teacher and taught. This article I have written for our college internal bulletin, which is for teachers only. So this is regarding when I read in the newspaper that a school teacher was murdered by his class 12 students. Okay. So this article I have written that time I was thinking why a student was compelled to behave like that. Okay, so how this thing happened and why this thing happened. So you can read it. Another blog is changing structure of teacher taught relationship. It is also about student teacher only. Now see,
Yes, ma'am.
in this I have talked about Gurukul system of education, then our face to face formal education system, and then online education system as well. Okay, so here I've written the relationship in future will be like teacher student both can't see each other. This is the wall,
Oh, yeah,
the
correct.
wall of emotional and spiritual distance between the teacher and
Student.
so this I've written long back. Okay, long back in the sense 3-4 years almost. कॉलेज मैगजीन के लिए लिखा था मैंने. कॉलेज का एक इंटरनल सर्कुलेशन है टीचर्स के लिए, आरजे हेरल्ड, उसके लिए लिखा था. इज इट
Oh,
क्लियर?
great. Yeah.
गेस्ट एडिटर के रूप में आई हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू राइट समथिंग फॉर कॉलेज, so I've written. So I do whatever I do it for students. I don't do for myself. I think as a teacher it's my duty to do maximum for the students. Okay, and as a teacher whatever I do it should be for students only. This is what I put. As an individual I can do for myself, but as a teacher I have to do for students only. This is what I think. I mean, I may be wrong even, no idea. Okay, so you can read and you can give your feedback, you can comment, likes, dislikes, whatever. Okay,
ओके मैम, एक बार वापस बता रहा मैम आपका क्या है ब्लॉग?
Sharmila Jajodia 23.blogspot.com. कहाँ
ओके
था
ओके मैम.
सेटिंग में होगा ना. Sharmila Jajodia 23.blogspot.com. Okay, so you can comment, like, dislike, whatever. I mean, I give your honest answer. Okay, whatever you think like. I have written many papers which are available online. So if you are interested in reading, I can give you even that. I have shared with you my poems, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So I have written poems as well. I have written articles as well. As a student also I have written poems and got it published. I have written articles as well as a student. So if you want, I can show you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So I will publish on my blog and then you can read it easily, na, whatever I write.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
If you are interested, that can be done. Okay. So should I end
Yes.
the meeting now because you may be having lecture at
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for being so curious students. I didn't get so curious students in last 17 years. So I'm happy with you all.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
bye.
Enjoy
Bye, bye.
your Diwali. Happy
Happy Diwali,
Diwali.
ma'am.
Happy festivals to all of you. Happy vacations to all of you. Okay.
Same to you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
Thank you.